Yes, they may create this celebration, but they are insignificant. Commemorate their existence, yes, maybe, but the question is, are they still significant? We say no, because as I've said, as we, the armed forces mentioned, and the government, they are lawless. And giving attention to lawless elements has no time and space for our government to do.
No time and space sa pamahalaan. Ito ang naging tugon ng Philippine Army hinggil sa nakatakdang ika-56 na anibersaryo ng Communist Party of the Philippines, New People's Army o CPP-NPA sa darating na December 26. Binigyan din ni Philippine Army Commanding General Lieutenant General Roy Galido na hindi na masyadong malaki at seryoso ang banta ng grupo dahil sa paghina na ng puwersa nito sa bansa. Hindi na rin magdedeklara ang pamahalaan ng ceasefire sa rebeldeng teroristang grupo.
I think a government imposition and always adhering to rule of law, you don't give ceasefire to lawless elements, right? Because what we want in our country is stability and peace. If we don't enforce the law, then there will be chaos. Kaya why the SNDS mentioned earlier, there is no ceasefire because there's no reason, because we're enforcing the law for the purpose of attaining peace in our country.
Samantala, tiniyak din ng Philippine Army na nakahanda ang kanilang mga tauhan upang tumugon sa pagpapatupad ng seguridad para sa darating na 2025 midterm elections. Kabilang din sa paghahandaan nila ay ang Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao o BARM parliamentary elections.
The Army's preparation is preparing units for redeployment in critical areas. So we are ready to shift several thousands of soldiers to critical areas at given notice. Whatever the situation, the Army is ready to provide the necessary manpower to assist our policemen, our law enforcers, and our COMELEC persons to implement the election process.
Ngayong taon naman, ipinagmalaki ng Philippine Army na isa sa tagumpay nila ngayong taon ay ang pagpapanatili ng disiplina sa kanilang mga tauhan. Benedict Samson, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.